There's a lot of people around everywhere, and there's like an ice cream parlour. So we finally found the waterfall, but water fountain thing, but we missed it. We're going to have to come back another night, but it must have finished about 20 minutes ago. So we were pretty close, at least we know where it is now to find it.
In the summer they do it at 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock.
Yeah. There's a waterfall here with chain colours and a mermaid there. Yeah. We got a fisherman in charge doing some fishing in the statue here. Don't think they get any fishing there. It's quite beautiful, all the people and the changing colours. Quite a few kids playing around, even though it's quite late. I love Marmaris. Another little pond here, or river going through. This must all be man-made. We've got more shops over there, McDonald's. So you want to go, didn't you? Statue of a man and a woman.
Back to the front.
Yeah, might as well take a walk down the front.
Oh, well, he's walking how I feel.
Yeah, so I'm walking as I'm feeling. Oh, my legs are down in. You've got this waterway going all the way round. All looks like man-made, no fish in there. But it's quite nice. There's a walk lit up. This is heading back towards the marine and the sea just in front of us, by the square there. We've got a statue of a big bee or a wasp. What's this? Did I just witness a drug deal? What's going on? He handed him something and then he ran off. No, I don't think he looks like a phone, but he was acting very suspicious. The boat's all lit up, the pirate on the boat there, looks pretty cool. Oh, that's a bit high than I thought. People down at the hotel the next day getting breakfast. I think we'll go down and get some breakfast soon. Looks like another beautiful sunny day. Got some people hang gliding out there today. They don't seem to be moving. Is it just me or they just seem to be in the same spot?
They went round and then they just stayed in the same spot.
So maybe they're coming down.
We're looking at the view maybe.
Or gonna end up on that boat. Yeah, but I mean the boat has to be pulling them forward for them to go. Oh yeah, they're coming down. They're gonna land in the water.
Plus they're going to dip them in the water.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there they go, in the water now. Yeah. Oh, now taking them back up again.
So for that.
Oh, right. Yeah, so I was just filming from there. One. Some massive rock crystals. And again on a tour.
Saç makinesi lavaş makinesine gelecek. Herkes öyle baktığı zaman karşıda. Evet, herkese böyle karşıda baktığı zaman.
Inside alley, see what's happened.
All their watches.
Jewellery. Jewellery and handbags and
Hello.
English? Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Yeah, England.
England.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Originally where?
Yeah, England. Yeah, just from England. Yeah.
Yeah, London.
You look like more Italian, Turkish. Yes.
Yeah, people keep saying so.
Yeah, everybody keeps saying that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Looks like same fabric.
Yeah.
Before you pass, can I show you the shine?
No, we're just going to walk round.
Yeah, we just.
Information I do on my car.
No, we're just going to have a look round first.
You know what I sell?
No,
You didn't ask what you sell.
no. That's because we're just looking.
Yeah, we're not really buying, just having a look around.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
I sell leather jacket.
Oh, right, yeah.
Leather jacket.
Where's the farmer's market and the fruit and veg?
It's behind the waterfall, you know.
Oh, yeah,
that's
the walk there, yeah.
You know what you do?
Yeah, we know the waterfall,
You're
yeah.
gonna follow the people who has the car, you know.
Yeah.
Bazaar
Oh,
car.
yeah.
If you follow them, you will be exactly there. Very easy.
Look forward, look around
If you
here
go there,
first.
you will see many people go to bazaar. You know?
Yeah.
With handcarry.
Yeah, we
Not
done
too
a few
warm now, you know,
days.
better you go like, you know, when sun a little bit down.
Yeah.
Like 6 o'clock.
Yeah, we're just chilling out, wandering, that's it really.
Yeah.
Give me a chance to show you my shop.
Uh,
For a look,
No,
we don't
we'll
have
have a
to
look.
wait.
No, we're going to look round everywhere
No,
first.
it's a,
Thank you. Thank you for your help. Have a nice holiday.
have a nice day anyway.
Have a nice picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Too hot for a leather jacket anyway.
Yeah, I mean, even if you went, we couldn't be buying, so.
Dışarıda bahçede düzenliyoruz, içiyoruz, kahvemizi
Yeah, so it's over that side by the fountain. That's what we thought it was somewhere around it. There. Big clocks and sunglasses and stuff.
Big area, isn't it? All the shops.
Yeah.
Have you seen these on the floor?
Yeah, I was just in that. Yeah, forget that shop.
And there was on the
On the other one as well.
down there.
Like the old CNI or the thing. Top man, it's in that shade bit over there. Get some shade.
That's right. Maybe tobacco.
Don't take.
Yeah, he's got the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Problem is, if you go to looking anywhere, that means you've got to buy something. You'll never get out, would you?
No. Which way you want to go? Left, right?
Well, go up there. And
Yeah, I'm thinking that looks a bit more shady, that's all.
yeah, that's why I just
Valla güvenim söylemiyorsun. İstersen kamera kayıt almışsın. Yok abi. Vallahi yapayım dedim.
Big suitcases. Güzel bir şey.
No, you could phone me, only you.
Got all your soaps and sea cucumbers and stuff there. It's all the spices and herbs. Smell like incense and stuff for your chilies. Massive bag of walnuts. That takes the walk. There's another cake place opening up there.
Çorba içiyorsun yine bir.
Somebody's house.
Yeah, maybe on the back of the shop, just the flowers and stuff.
And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and comment. It's completely free.
Yeah.